What is going on, guys? This is Mr. Ryan's Tutoring It, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, we are going to be learning about odd and even numbers. So without further ado, let's crack on with it. So before we get any further, you might not have a clue what odd and even number is. You might think Mr. Ryan's telling porkies and talking absolute rubbish. But the reality is, these numbers exist and we need to do them because they're very, very important. So first of all, an odd number is a number that ends in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So that's 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. An example might be 25, and the reason 25 is an odd number is because it ends in a 5, which means it's an odd number. Another example might be 31. Again, it ends in 1, and 1 is an odd number, so therefore it makes 31 overall an odd number. And without further ado, if you remember that, let's do the odd numbers quiz. Now, Mr. Ryan Jr. is going to be doing the odd numbers quiz. So he's going to be putting 4 numbers on the screen, which are 14, 21, 16, and last but not least, 15. And all I want you to do is I want you to tell me what the odd numbers are in this list. Now, if you were paying attention, you would have got 21 and 15 as your answer. So if you got that right, give yourself a round of applause. So guys, we have covered odd numbers, but we still need to do even numbers. As you remember, the title of this video is odd and even numbers. So now in a second, I'm going to tell you exactly what an even number is. So guys, if you remember from before, we know that odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. But even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So that's 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And it's important we don't get these mixed up. Now I'm going to put a couple of examples of even numbers on the screen. So our first even number is 72. Now the reason 72 is an even number is because it ends in the number 2, and 2 is part of the even numbers list. So that makes 72 an even number. Another simple example is 36. Again, it ends in the number 6. 6 is an even number, so it makes 36 overall an even number. So without further ado, let's move on to the even numbers quiz. So, on the screen, Mr. Ryan Jr. is going to be putting 4 more numbers on the screen, which are 10, 68, 11, and 13. So let's see if you can tell me what the even numbers are. And if you've answered that correctly, you should have got 10 and 68 as your 2 even numbers. And if you've done that, give yourself a round of applause. Now, if you've made it to this point in the video and you've got both of the odd number and the even number quizzes right, you're doing an amazing job. But in today's video, I'm going to be introducing a new feature which is going to be coming to all future videos, and that is the grand finale quiz. So we're going to combine your knowledge for both odd and even numbers and quiz you to see if you can get the next question right. Now this is the grand finale, and if you do this, you are officially odd and even numbers masters. Now this quiz is going to be slightly different because I am not actually going to give you the numbers for this question. Mr. Ryan Jr. is going to do the job. The only rule he has to follow is he can only pick 10 numbers maximum, or else we'll have far too many numbers. So all I want you to do is I want you to identify from the list of numbers that Mr. Ryan Jr. chooses what the odd numbers are and what the even numbers are. So I want you to write them down on a piece of paper, and I want you to underline the odd numbers and circle the even numbers. And then once you've done that, Mr. Ryan Jr. is going to reveal all of the answers. And guys, if you actually manage to get that correct, you're officially masters at the topic. You're going to be amazing. You're going to go really, really far, and I'm super, super proud of you. Anyway, guys, despite all that, this video unfortunately has to come to an end. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.